Hey, and welcome back. So we say that if you want to write strings, you can use the double quotations or the single quotations, unless you're using the template literals where you can use the backticks. Now, what if you want to put some kind of a quotation within your string? For example, she said, I am happy. So you want to represent that in your string. So to do that, you'd use the backslash to escape anything. If you want to escape this double quotes, you just use the backslash and the double quotes, and that will make sure that the double quotes get printed on the screen. This one will also get printed on the screen because it has been escaped. So if you forget to use this, it might cause an error. Another one also, let's say you're giving the path to a certain file, and you want to do that within a string, and if you do that within a string, you have to escape this. So for example, on my Windows, if I want to go to the C file, I can go into C, then maybe the site. So it will go into C, sites, and then the particular image that I want to access in there, in this folder. So if I want this to be printed on the screen, what I can do is I can escape this with, I can escape the backslash with another backslash. And then you can also escape spaces. For example, this one will escape this space, it will escape this space, and all of this will be printed in one line. So let me take this to Scratchpad, and then we can see an example. So if you come back here, Control A, kill all of that, and then let me put in that there. So if you want to do a console.log, you can just use your JavaScript like I told you. You can just bring in that code and put it in here, and then you run your HTML, then you go into the debugger, you go into maybe Firebug or your web developer tools, then you go into console, and you'll see this will be logged into the console. But I don't want to use the console, so I'll just go back to Scratchpad, and if I come back to Scratchpad, I can run this. So let me remove the console.log there, remove that. I can just display the expected result right here, and if you do that, you see it will tell you she said I am happy. So if you forget to put this, you're going to experience this display. It will give you a syntax error missing that before statement, meaning that it is assuming that the statement is supposed to end here. So if you want to write that, you can always escape them, and if you escape them, this will be printed on the screen. The other example that we had was this one. Now the next thing, let's try the other example whereby we were escaping this. Let me remove this. I've stored this string in a variable called my line, and what is going to happen is that this will be printed in one line. So let me remove the console.log so that we can display the result. If I display this, you see it brings the entire statement in one line. So this was just escaping that space, escaping the space, the space, the space, but in the end, it brings everything in one line. So just go ahead and take a look at the special characters that we have, and also try different things when it comes to escaping characters. So I'll see you in the next video.